Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how to replace this Ford Mondeo's this rear light console, and this is really easy job. There is 1, 2, 3 10mm nuts, and when I remove these I can take this rear light console away. And for that job, this job starts so that I open rear trunk door, and let's go to look that inner area next. Okay, now trunk door is open, and then I need to open this inside cover that we can see in this area in here. Okay, good. And then I move this cover out, and I take my tool, and let's go to look these bolts closer in here. Okay, and when I open this my cover, I can see in here, this is first bolt what I need to open, that one, this is in here, second is in here, and the final one is in here up. And now when I take my electric drill driver, we can see that how I open this first bolt. And there is view of this first one, and there is my driver in here. Okay, and first nut opens, and then I open this next one in here, and in this up area there's final one. And before of that I press that connector, and now this electric connector is free. Then when I have taken those 3 bolts away, I carefully move that this way, and then this joints opens, and this cover is easy to take out. And this is the idea that how we can replace this Ford Mondeo's rear light console.